To address issues with Samuel due to subspecies activity, you'll need to access the platform. You can do this by going to the App Store or the website, where you can search for the platform and follow the on-screen prompts to create an account. This will give you access to the platform's features. If you're experiencing problems, such as suspected subspecies activity, you can contact the customer support team for assistance. To do this, simply go to the support center, which can be found by clicking on the icon, and then explain the issue to the customer support chat. They will help you secure your account and resolve the problem. The process is straightforward, and all you need to do is provide details about the suspected activity. Once you've contacted customer support, they will take care of the issue, and your account will be secure. By following these steps, you should be able to fix the issue and continue using the platform without any problems.